Okay, in the last video, I showed you how to set up a free product that you can use to entice your website visitors to join your mailing list. Now in this video, we're going to create our own original product that you can sell to the people on your email list. So I'm going to run you through how to do that. It's a very quick process and hopefully one that you'll find quite enjoyable as well. So obviously your product is going to depend on what your website is about. Now in the more advanced videos I'll cover how to create a website purely for profit, but if you're just starting out and this is your first time building a website, I really do suggest sticking with something that you enjoy, because you're going to see the venture through to success. Okay, so let's say that you're a keen gardener. It's a big hobby, it's something that you really enjoy, it's something you know a lot about. So naturally you would build a website about gardening, and this is what our product is going to be about. So if you head over to Google and type in gardening fact, frequently asked questions, here you're going to have a whole range of commonly asked questions. What we're going to do is just use these questions for inspiration. Okay. Okay, what I would do is go through as many fact pages as you can find, copy the questions that you think are interesting, paste them into Microsoft Word or whichever text editor you use. So what you end up with is a list of commonly asked questions that you're confident of answering, and then you're left with a couple of options here. Once you have say 20 or 30 questions, what you can do then is actually type out your answers, such as the benefits cover crops are. So you can type out your answers in Word, then convert it to a PDF, or you can take the approach that I do and turn it into a video or an audio file. And as you can see here, I'm using video to get my point across, and I find it very effective. You don't have to use video, but if that is what you're considering, I'll show you some options. Well, I'll show you what I use for video. Okay, the first tool, Camtasia. Okay, this records your screen, records your voice. It's what I'm using to record this video with. Let me just drag in the, here you go. This is what you'll have, so you can pause, which is really good if you get interrupted or you make a mistake and need to edit out. God knows I make so many mistakes and I'm always using this. And here's what Camtasia actually looks like on the inside. So there's plenty of things we can do here. It's timeline based. So here you would load in your video and edit it, and then you can produce as a CD if you want to. Plenty of options here. It really is good software. I'm not an affiliate, they don't have an affiliate program, so I'm really suggesting it because it's solid. If you can't afford Camtasia, actually they do a free trial, so I think it's 30 days free trial, which is more than enough time to create your own product and put it out there. Most of my videos are made over the course of a couple of weeks, so what I suggest you do is download the free trial, create your first product, sell it. Once it gives you a profit, you can then afford to invest in some decent software like Camtasia. Now if you're absolutely dead set against spending money, here's another option. It's Cam Studio, which is free software. I have used it, I haven't really liked the results from it, but it is a good option if you're absolutely broke. Other software that I use is audio editing software. Again, it's free, but it is fantastic. It's called Audacity, and it's got all kinds of cool plugins and add-ons and stuff. If you're considering appearing on camera, to talk in person that way, here's a really nice option. It's the Kodak Z1.8 HD. I own one of these myself. I absolutely love it. I find it similar to the Flip, but it's better quality and more versatile because it allows you to plug in an external microphone, which is pretty vital if you're doing outdoor recording. Another tool that I found really useful sometimes, I'm not using it in these videos, I'm just kind of winging it, but in some of my videos I certainly do use this tool. It's called Easy Prompter. I'll give you a quick demo. Again, it's free. Here's what it does. It's like a virtual teleprompter, so I can type in and then scroll on to start prompt. Now I'm going to leave the camera as is and press play so you can see what it does. Great little tool.